now, guys, look at this.
Here, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute super update for Bitcoin. A little joke a day keeps the apple away. Every trader knows this situation, guys. You're going to sleep, you have everything nice here in your wallet, every stop loss is set, but after 5 minutes, you have to check this one here. You have to check the chart, you have to check the price, what's going on. Everyone knows this. So guys, let's go.
Going down. I made a really nice short position on Shiba. For the moment, I'm in a long position here, and I think that's a nice thing for the moment for Shiba.
Today, November the 6th, and Bitcoin is going down. It's critical now. We are now under very critical support. So guys, let's check what's going on. The daily on TradingFees is still telling us, okay, we should buy Bitcoin. The 4 hours is telling us, okay, sell your Bitcoin. 2 hours, sell. 1 hour, sell. So the same picture as yesterday. The big time frame is telling us we shouldn't buy, but the short time frame is telling us, okay, attention, we may sell Bitcoin. So guys, this is the domination, and you can see, yes, the domination for Bitcoin is going down more and more and more. It's the time for altcoins. It's better to trade altcoins. Okay, if Bitcoin is going down, the most coins are going down, but in this time, it is better to trade the altcoins. Guys, let me show you. This is CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going down 1.1% in 24 hours. In 7 days, 1% in a minus. We have a bad bearish chart picture here, but Bitcoin is going sideways the last 7 days. We saw a nice pump and then the correction to the downside. Ethereum is going down 2% in the week, a plus about 3%. The Binance coin yesterday, a nice pump, 18% in the plus and 1% on the day. Solana is going on 5.5%, 27% in the week. Yesterday I made a little video for Solana, and I told you guys I sold my Solana. I took a little profit, and now we will see what's going on. Tether is not so interesting. Cardano is going down a little bit, XRP is going down a little bit, Polkadot, and the other coins are going down. Shiba Inu, a nice little pump to the upside. I had a nice long position yesterday, but I closed it. I took profit. Now I'm out for Solana. I'm waiting what's going on. Yes, guys, here it is, the next big thing we have to watch. This is the 1 hour time frame, and this is the technical pattern here. And I told you guys, we saw here about 1 day or yes, 1 day, the gravestone doji yesterday on the video. I showed you this, a gravestone doji. After this, we went down. So if you closed your long positions here and you are shorting Bitcoin now, you made nice profits. Congratulations, guys. Now let's check the next thing, guys. This is the big picture in my opinion now. This is really easy. It's the 1 hour time frame. This is a triangle. If you can break out to the upside, 74,000. If you will break down to the downside, 48,000. 3 minutes are over for TikTok and Instagram, and we will move on here on YouTube. So this is a technical target, and it's possible, guys, that we see this breaking out to the upside or to the downside. Let me show you the ribbon band. The ribbon band is here, and let's zoom in a little bit more in the 1 hour time frame. And you can see bad news for the moment for Bitcoin. We lost EMA 200 with a retest. We lost ribbon band with a retest. We have it now as a big resistance here. That's not good, guys. That's not good. We are now in this downtrend, and we can draw it from here to here as a red bearish parallel channel. And yes, we're going down, and we're going down here on this middle line. Here a test on the middle line, up again. Here the next test of the middle line. Now the big question, maybe touching again the ribbon band, and then to the downside. And here is our big support. This is this line now, a really big support. If we are watching the bar chart, we can check this one, the first support point, and you can see 60,300. We are nearly close to this support, 60,300. If we will make a trend line on 60,300, it's a line like this one here. This is a big support zone for Bitcoin, and you can see here was a touch of the support bone, a spike down, and the next move to the upside. For the moment, the support is holding, but guys, attention, if we will lose this one, we have this red line. If we will lose this one, we have maybe a bad, bearish, a target to the downside, 48,000, 50,000. That's the next big thing maybe to watch. Let me check one thing, guys.
Let's move on.
Let me check the 4 hour time frame. There it is. Here it is. And let me show you on the 4 hour time frame.
A little bit later, guys.
let's remove the ribbon band.
Let's move on.
We can make this Fibonacci, the Fibonacci from the highest point, from lowest point here to the upside to the highest point is this one. And now, guys, you can see, okay, a really big support zone is also, if we will lose the triangle to the downside, the next line, this line, the 0.236 Fibonacci line, 57,900. Let me tell it, 58,000 the next line. You can see Bitcoin is reacting. This one here really nice. Here a short spike down to it. Here the next spike down to it. Maybe this will be the next retest of the support if we will fall down here more and more under this triangle. Guys, 5 minutes are over. So much things I would like to show you. One thing, guys, that's so important. Let me show you the 1 day. Let me show you the Ichimoku. It's so important. Let's zoom in a little bit because, guys, look at this. We are now under the blue line of the Ichimoku and for the moment over the red line. We are between the two lines here, the 9 lengths, the 26 lengths of Ichimoku, and this is a really interesting fight now. Big support on the downside, but a resistance to the upside. We need the direction now for Bitcoin. Can we break it up or will we break down? Guys, we will see this, and I hope you see us tomorrow or on my live stream. Guys, you know it, I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and I hope you can see us there on Twitch or on YouTube. Make it good, have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and guys, very important, not a financial advisor, this is not a financial.
Maybe if we will break out on this point, depends always where we will break out. Target 74,700. If we can break out this target, everything is looking for this.